Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be starting a new series on the channel here that I'm going to be comparing different smart home tech together. One of the biggest questions that I get from my comments is, hey, what do you think of this camera and this camera? Or what do you think of this smart home product compared to this smart home product? So what I thought I would do is start combining those into smaller videos. Ideally, I like to keep these videos in the 5 to 6 minute range, just to give you guys an idea of what both of these products do offer. In today's video, we are going to be comparing the Wyze Cam version 2 to the brand new Wyze Cam version 3. I'm going to be showing you what the image quality looks like and what it looks like in the daytime and at nighttime. I'm not going over any app stuff. Those will be in different videos that you guys can check out. But with that said, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and let's get started. Okay, I do want to mention a few of the feature differences between these two cameras. So the biggest thing that we're missing with the Wyze Cam 3 is that it doesn't have that USB port on the back anymore. And that USB port, if you have a Wyze Cam version 2, is that you know that that is used for the bridge, and that's going to connect your motion sensor and your contact sensors together. Wyze did say that they're going to actually be coming out with a standalone bridge later on, so you're going to be buying that separately to connect everything together if you're looking at the Wyze Cam version 3. Another thing is that even though both of these cameras do shoot in 1080p, the new Wyze Cam 3 shoots at 130-degree viewing angle, where the older version shoots at 110 degrees. So you're gonna get a little bit more view in that one. Also, another thing is that the new camera shoots at 20 frames per second in the day, 15 at night, where the old one shot at 15 frames a second during the day and 10 at night. Now, the two brand new features with the Wyze Cam version 3 is that the new one is rated for outdoor use. So this is absolutely huge and something that we have been asking for a long time, and I love that it came to this camera. So this one can be used outdoors, and in addition to that, it also has a new starlight sensor. So you're going to be getting much better night vision. But that's what we're going to be taking a look at in the demos today, so let's get started. All right, we're testing out the Wyze Cam version 3 right now. This is what it looks like. About 4 feet away from the camera, but this is what the audio and video looks like with the blinds closed during the daytime, which is typically how it would be if we weren't home. We'd have all the blinds closed. This is what it would look like. Move back up 25 feet to show you guys what it looks like if I walk all the way back here. Like I mentioned, this is 25 feet away from the other side of the room. So this is what audio is looking and sounding like. So this is me about 4 feet away from the camera with the blinds closed at nighttime. I'm going to back all the way up and go to 25 feet again to show you guys what the camera looks like. Version 2. All right, a little bit different of a setup here. We've opened up the blinds just to give you a little bit different idea of what the lighting does to change these cameras right here. So this is with the blinds all the way open. That was at about 4 feet away. We're going to back all the way up to the 25 feet. And this is what you're looking at about 25 feet with the blinds open. All right, we've now got the Wyze Cam version 2 with the blinds open, just to give you guys an idea. This is what it looks like close, and now we're going to back up farther away. But this is what it looks like from all the way back here with the Wyze Cam version 2. All right, now that we have seen what it looks like during the daytime, let's go ahead and take a look at what some night shots look like with both of these cameras. And just like that, it is nighttime. So here is the Wyze Cam version 3 that we're testing out right now. This is with all of the lights turned on, but this is later in the day, so I want to show you guys what it looks like with all the lights turned on. So there we go, from about 5 feet away, we're going to go all the way back up here again. So we got about 25 feet, what it looks and sounds like. All right, now we've switched over to the Wyze Cam 2. We're there about 25 feet. We'll come all the way up here to show you what this camera looks like during the nighttime with the lights on. Let's turn off all the lights and take a look at what it looks like with no IR sensor on. All right, I tested out the cameras with the IR turned off. You couldn't see anything for both cameras. So we're not even going to do that test, this is with the IR sensor turned on. So this is the Wyze Cam version 3. This is what it looks like at about 5 feet away. Let me back all the way up. We're going to go all the way back here to the 25 feet. So this is what it looks like across the room, 25 feet with the night vision turned on. All right, we're now testing out the Wyze Cam version 2. This is with their IR sensor turned on. About 5 feet away from this camera, we're going to back up and see what it looks like all the way back here at 25 feet. Hopefully you guys can see here. Cam version 2, 25 feet away. Okay, so here is some perspective of what the cameras are looking at through the window during the daytime. We've got the Cam 3 and the Cam 2. Now we jump over to the night shot with the Cam 2, you pretty much can't see anything at all. You can see a few lights that I have outside, but now jumping to the Cam 3, it is a night and day difference. You can see so much more, and remember the infrared lighting is off. All right, so what did you guys think of those demos? To me, the Wyze Cam version 3's night vision just blows the other one away, and considering that they're the same price, I think it's totally worth it right there. Not only that, but you can use it outside if you wanted to. Just the quality of that Wyze Cam version 3 is just awesome. Well, I hope this comparison did help you out. If there is something else that you want me to compare, leave it in the comments below and I will try to get that video out to you. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.